Today we're gonna make these delicious smash burger tacos. To get started on making our smash burgers, I have 6 corn tortillas here. So I'm gonna put those out here. So I have 1 pound of ground beef. So I'm gonna make even balls for the ground beef for each one of our tortillas. So you can get these done ahead of time. And you're gonna adjust the size of these depending on the size of your tortillas. Now that we've evenly distributed them, now we're gonna press down the meat all the way to the end of the tortilla. Like this. This could be a whole new thing for you for Taco Tuesdays, Taco Thursdays. Kids love this. They can add their different toppings to it. Adults love this. Actually, I don't know anybody that doesn't love tacos. Now that I've smashed them all down, I'm gonna wash my hands so I can sprinkle a little salt and pepper and get them ready for the hot skillet. Before we grill them, we're just gonna sprinkle a little salt and pepper on each one. So we'll put this on there. And now we're gonna take them over to the hot skillet. We're gonna spray the hot pan. And we're gonna take our burgers and go face down. Now that we flipped them, I'm just gonna give them an extra pat down, push them all the way down so they're on top of the tortilla. I'll let them cook for a sec. And now I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese right in the middle so that can melt before we assemble our tacos. Look at our amazing smash burgers. Cheese is melted. They look awesome. So now we have to make our special sauce. We have a 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and a tablespoon of chopped pickles, relish, whatever you have. Put that right in there. Mix this together. Special sauce. So we're gonna add a little bit of our special sauce on each one. Obviously you can put as much or as little as you want. You could add some chopped onions if you like. I'm making these for my kids, they don't want onions. And then we're gonna top off with some diced tomatoes and a little lettuce. Look at that. These tacos are ready. They look amazing. You could serve them just like this, or you could click the tag on where to buy these adorable taco holders, and then you can serve them in this little holder, just like this. Amazing. Looks delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkiglackets.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store on where you could purchase my favorite must-haves.